What I have here today is the Philips Norelco 5100 beard trimmer. On the box you can see that you have several accessories, several combs, and a mini foil shaver, precision trimmer, and a nose trimmer. Those all switch out with the blades that are on the top of the unit. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 5100, 7-in-1 high-performance grooming kit, advanced lithium-ion battery, turbo boost for faster results, fully washable, skin-friendly, long-lasting 60-minute run time. So once it's fully charged, you can trim away for a full hour. This is what the unit looks like out of the box. Let's get a close-up on it. There you go. Now, twist the top off. You can put the foil shaver or the nose trimmer in there. Twist it back on and you got the blade cutter again. You can see clearly that all three combs have a very, very different design and a different purpose. You have one that's a hair comb, you have one that's a beard comb, and you have one that is a stubble comb. We are going to be using this particular comb for the demonstration. It runs from 1 to 18 millimeter. I use it at 3 millimeter. You can see did a very, very good job. Very, very clean. Very, very nice. Let's try the nose trimmer. Yes, very, very clean. Very, very nice. Handsome even. Yes, handsome. As you can see, the Philips Norelco 5100 kit did a fantastic job. I'm really, really glad that I got it. Really happy to be able to make this video and show it to you. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. And even if you didn't like the video, I want you to have a good day, a good week, a good year. I want you to have a good life.